Thank you, Yonaka. Free gift, huh?
You get t-shirts
Oh, a
too?
shirt too? Wow.
And then stickers and stuff.
What? You guys are so kind. Yeah, plate too?
Plate, frame plates. Stickers.
Ooh, 2 stickers.
Oh, the keys.
What is this? This is something. Probably.
Oh, that's really the bolts and stuff?
Yeah.
So the
Okay.
tail,
Oh, this is just you just slide it off. It's okay.
I think this has to be what?
No, I think that's what this is for. Just clamp it on. Yeah, I guess you could weld it if you want, but
I would rather weld it. That's all it is. Sounds like coming in and then shop your car.
you could put that in there. I don't need that right now. Sauce. Pipe. That one too. We're playing now. Could be no exhaust. Just lining it up. And I'll bolt them together to see if they fit perfectly. And if there's time today, I'll probably end up installing it. Only shitty part is right here, it's kind of rotted. Yeah. Here too. Single cat. A resonator. I believe this is a custom exhaust. I don't think this is factory. You can tell by all the Mickey Mouse, and it's one piece. This Mickey Mouse shit. It sounds good, don't get me wrong. Well, I had to take out the exhaust because they end up snapping. Well, not exhaust, the mufflers end up snapping. It sounds really good like this. Let's see if we can make you guys a video of how it sounds currently. That way we get some before and after shots. But if not, yeah. So we'll see.
Yeah. This.
and then you can put it in. Oops.
Right. And then which way it goes, because we gotta make sure it's.
Okay, it's the finished product, the Yonaka install on a 2006 Honda Accord V6 sedan. Got the dual, go all the way up. The hinges. Well, there's one extra, but hey, one is enough. Same as the other side. Middle now. All the hinges sit perfectly. Only concern, it's been about a week. That's why it looks a little dirty. Still need to get this piece welded. I do have another one of these triangle pieces. I'm gonna install it right here and then just weld it and then bolt it on instead of cutting it off and welding it, making it one piece. I don't like that one piece. It makes it too hard to take apart if I were to ever take it off. But yeah, that's it. I have another video. It's supposed to how it sounds. It's not complete because, you know, still got a small leak coming from here. But like I said, I'm hoping by the end of today, maybe I'll post another video of it complete. See, so yeah, that's it.